In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a sticky bar button scroll to a section in Unbounce. We'll start by getting into your Unbounce account. Open a fresh browser window, search for Unbounce, and click the official result to head to the site. Log in as you normally would. Once you're in, go to All Pages and open the landing page where you want the sticky bar to appear. Be sure you're working in the classic builder for this walkthrough. Next, decide where you want the button to take visitors. Single-click the exact section or element on the page that should be the destination. This could be your lead form, a specific text box, or a small anchor box you've placed above a section. Choosing the right target here ensures the scroll lands precisely where you want. With that element selected, look to the right side of the editor and scroll down the Properties panel until you find Element Metadata. You'll see an element ID there. This is the unique identifier Unbounce assigns to the item you clicked. Copy that ID exactly as shown. Now switch to the pop-ups and sticky bars area of your account and open the builder for the sticky bar you're using on this page. Inside the sticky bar, click the button you want to turn into a smooth scrolling link. In the button's Properties panel, find the Click Action settings. If needed, set the action to go to a URL so the field becomes editable. In the URL field, paste the element ID you copied earlier, but make sure it begins with a hash symbol. For example, if the ID is LP POM form 123, enter #LP POM form 123. That hash tells the browser to scroll to a specific element on the same page instead of navigating away. Double-check that there are no extra spaces before or after the hash and ID, and that the capitalization matches exactly. Save your changes in the sticky bar builder. When you preview or view the live page, clicking the sticky bar button should smoothly jump to the exact element you selected. If it doesn't, confirm you copied the correct element ID from the landing page, that the sticky bar is assigned to the same page, and that you've included the hash at the start of the URL. A helpful tip is to place an anchor box slightly above a section so the scroll lands with perfect spacing, especially on mobile. And remember, you can rename elements in your layout for organization, but always use the system-generated element ID in the URL field. That's it. Your sticky bar button now scrolls directly to your chosen section in Unbounce.